Ripoti igeni ati President William Ruto ni ahingurite kigomono gia gatatu kia majaji ya Afrika ya kwaririria itemi ria igoti hari kurua na ucenjia wa riera thiini wa gitaro kia Afrika mukawa-ini wa Safari Park kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. President William Ruto ndomereri-ini yake nieranĩire wirutĩri wa gitaro kia Afrika kurugama ithenya-ini ria kurua na ucenjia wa riera na njira ya kuhanda miti kugiriria uthukagia wa riera kuma kuri kambuni cia nja wa itoka cia Afrika na Afrika kuhuthira thitima na njira ingĩ cia hinya iria itaracangira giko riera-ini ta geothermal na solar. Toria Jackson Mwaniki aratariria.
Thank you for those wonderful words.
Mukawa-ini wa Safari Park kaunti-ini ya Nairobi nikuo kigomano gia gatatu kia majaji kuma gitaro kia Afrika na kia mbere na kiria gigukorwo gia thikũ ithano ya kwaririria itemi ria igoti hari kurua na ucenjia wa riera thiini wa gitaro kia Afrika na kiria kihingurirwo ni mutongoria wa bururi Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto, mucirithania munene guku bururi-ini Martha Koome gatagati ka majaji angi matiganite.
It is now my pleasure to declare the third regional symposium on green judiciaries in Africa formally opened.
President ni oritie magoti kunyitanira na honge ingi itiganite thiini wa gitaro kia Afrika na kugathika mawatho na mitaratara iria ingitacukio kuri andu aria maracungiriria ucenjia wa riera na niguo makorwo magitacukirio makinya mahiu ma kiwatho.
I equally challenge our judiciary to be creative and imaginative and develop jurisprudence that will enhance climate action based on the polluter pays principle. You must not underestimate your capacity because it leads to positive change.
Mwena-ini wake mucirithania munene guku bururi-ini Martha Koome nieranĩire ni magukorwo mari muhari-ini wa mbere na makiria gutongoria hari gitaro kia Afrika hari gubanga na kugathika mitaratara na unyitanĩri wa mabururi ma gitaro kia Afrika hari kurua na ucenjia wa riera.
In Kenya, we have made significant strides in promoting a transformative environmental constitutionalism that is rooted in the provisions of our Constitution and the jurisprudence of our National Environmental Tribunal and the Environment and Land Court and other superior courts. Our courts have played a critical role in advancing environmental justice in Kenya by interpreting and applying the Constitution and other laws in a manner that promotes sustainable use and management of our land and natural resources.
Koome ni oritie majaji kunyitana moko na makorwo magicenjania meciria na niguo makorwo makigacirithia gitaro kia Afrika na muno makiria itemi-ini ria kurua na ucenjia wa riera.
I call my brother and sister chief justices and judges present here today. We all join hands in a united front against climate change. We leverage on our collective wisdom, expertise, and our power of convening others to develop a jurisprudence that is uniquely African and responsive to our shared concerns. Let us collaborate, let us learn from one another and share our experiences as we work together to build a brighter, more sustainable future for our continent and our people.
Ndomereri-ini yake President nieranĩire kunyitanira hari kuhurana na ucenjia wa riera na njira ya kuhanda miti undu uria augite thirikari yake ni gutigirira ministry itiganite ni cianyitanira hari kuhurana na ucenjia wa riera na makiria kuri kambuni iria irikagiriria riera na gucungiriria uthukagia wa riera na njira nene.
The government of Kenya is also taking measures to ensure that every ministry, department and agency aligns its policies, strategies, programs and projects with our green agenda. Strengthening the role of judiciaries in addressing climate change in Africa, which is the theme of this symposium, is highly appropriate, and it is also of fundamental significance to our collective readiness to take up global leadership in post-transition economic and industrial order, and thus usher the world into a future of green, clean, and inclusive prosperity.
Handu-ini ha ceceni ya Wega TV kuma mukawa-ini wa Safari Park kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, njĩtagwo Jackson Mwaniki.
Thank you for those